I want to appreciate the fact that I have looked at the books which have brought us here this morning. They are excellent material. They are actually meant for the children who are abled differently. We now no longer call them disabled. The ones who have differences in seeing and hearing. And I'm told that as far as the Braille books are concerned, they will arrive all the children that require them, together with the ones that have hearing challenges. I've also looked very critically and carefully, and I've engaged my friends. That Kenyans are still conservative in capital letters. Maybe when we have joined our ancestors, we shall be liberal. Let me take this opportunity to once again reaffirm our total support to all the children, those who have started their assessments, those who have started their examinations, and those who are about to start, that we are going to be with them, and also to warn for the last time, don't allow Satan to come into your head. The mask is supposed to be to prevent you from corona. It is not supposed to be a safe haven for hiding materials which you will use in the exam. Life is about choices. Since we have already told you that we are going to be fair with you, if you attempt to cheat, like some of you are trying to do so, don't blame us if we come on you like a ton of bricks, because you have a choice.
The materials we are here to deliver to schools today are aligned to the CBC and will assist teachers and students to strengthen their foundational reading and comprehension skills, a critical step towards future academic success. Today, we flag off 826,048 leveled readers in English and Kiswahili to be distributed to all public primary schools and 1,500 low-cost private schools. The leveled readers were developed in alignment with Kenya's Leveled Readers Framework, and in total, each school in the program will receive at least one set of leveled readers containing 32 titles, 16 in English and 16 in Kiswahili for use in grades 1, 2, and 3.